How to create Crunchyroll account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily create or register your account on your Crunchyroll. So first thing what you want to do is simply head over to any of your browser and search in for Crunchyroll. So simply click on the first link that appears, that is the official site crunchyroll.com. Make sure it's crunchyroll.com and not any other, and you will be redirected to its homepage. And from over here simply click on this top right corner, that is your profile section, and once you're inside here you can either log in or create your accounts. Now since we're creating our account, simply click on this create account option and it will redirect you to this page where you will have to enter your email address and password which you have already registered with your Google, and simply enter it. And once you enter your login credentials, simply click on this create account option and wait for some time. And just like that, you will have successfully created your Crunchyroll account on your device. So that is it guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.